Spinosaurus, the largest predator. Larger than the Tyrannosaurus rex, Spinosaurus was the largest land carnivore that ever existed. It measured up to 18 meters long and could weigh more than 20 tons. Unlike other predatory dinosaurs, it lived semi-aquatically. Hunting giant fish in the rivers of what is now North Africa about 100 million years ago. The Megalodon, the terror of the oceans. If you thought the great white shark was big, the Megalodon far surpasses it. This sea monster could measure up to 18 meters in length, with jaws capable of crushing bones in a single bite. It dominated the oceans between 23 and 3.6 million years ago, feeding on whales and other large marine mammals. Although its extinction remains a mystery, its legacy lives on in the collective imagination. Since you've made it this far, we'd like to ask you to support us by subscribing, activating the bell, clicking like, share the video, and leaving us your comment. It's completely free for you, but it helps us a lot to continue creating content. Paraceratherium, the largest land mammal. After the dinosaurs, mammals took over, and Paraceratherium reigned supreme in size. This giant relative of the rhinoceros lived about 34 million years ago, reaching up to 7.5 meters tall and weighing 20 tons. Despite its imposing size, it was a peaceful herbivore that ate leaves in the treetops. It was the inspiration for the AT-AT, the Star Wars combat vehicle. The blue whale, the largest animal of all time. Even today, the blue whale holds the record for the largest animal that ever existed. Measuring up to 30 meters long and weighing 200 tons, its heart is the size of a car, and its tongue weighs as much as an elephant. Despite its colossal size, it feeds on tiny crustaceans called krill, filtering them through its baleen. The Argentinosaurus, the giant of the earth. Imagine a dinosaur as big as a 10-story building. The Argentinosaurus was the largest dinosaur to ever walk the earth. Measuring up to 40 meters long and weighing 100 tons, this colossus inhabited South America approximately 90 million years ago. Its size gave it advantages against predators, but its plant-based diet required enormous amounts of vegetation. And remember, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave your comments or ideas. See you in the next video.